All right, I have some wall sconces here. That's like these cool, like light with filters on them. Really, really cool. I love these things. For one, you get this great design that fits with a lot of decor that you might have, and you get a light that goes inside of it, and we'll get to that here in a second. But first, they come in a 2-pack, and it's really easy to put together. You just have the filter that goes around it, the shade goes around it. And you get one of these brackets right here that comes with it, and you put this on the wall, you level it, and then this gets bolted onto here, which is really easy to install and get on your wall. It also comes with a remote control, but let me show you the light. So here's the light right here, and it's rechargeable USB-C. So let's go ahead and power this thing on. And it's rechargeable with USB-C for a long-lasting battery. The back is magnetic, so you can put it onto like something magnetic like that. And guess what? This is metal, so that's how you're gonna be holding your light. So this one right here, you have the light in it like that, and you can take it out if you need to recharge it, and then you pop it back in just that easily. And with the remote, you can change it to different colors: green, red, purple, blue, pink, yellow, and just white if you want. You can also have like a smooth fade, so you can have it just fading between the different colors. You can also just a faster fade. And one thing I love about this too is there's a 30-minute and 60-minute timer. So if you're going to bed soon, or if you're leaving but you want the lights on, you can hit that 30-minute timer, and then after 30 minutes it goes off for you. Or, you know, because you have a remote, if you have this next to your bed and you want to just turn them off from there, you just turn them off from there. It's that easy. And if we turn the lights off really quick, I'll show you how bright this thing is. So we'll just turn this on. We have red and green. It's just, you can kind of match any kind of mood that you want, but yeah, definitely white. And you'll also make it brighter, and you can dim it down if you need to dim it down a little bit. So all in all, it's a great little product, and I highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.